Aba. Welcome to Diana's channel. Trust all is doing well today. In Ghana, it's a public holiday, but there are businesses that's still opening. Guess where I'm at? Yes, the sign says it. Pokuase Heights. So I'm here, guys, to bring you content, to show you something a little different. And this development is under the stewardship of KOFI ANKU. And joining me is KOFI's sales manager, Bernard. You know, guys, here at Pokuase Heights, we're talking affordable living. Affordable living. So I know this content will please you. And upcoming, I'll be having a one-on-one with KOFI. So stand by and stay tuned for that, as Bernard takes me along. So Bernard, please, could you tell us a little bit about Pokuase Heights right here? What's going on here? Because to my immediate right, I'm seeing that we have construction taking place. How many units are these here?
So we have 24 units here. When we started with 12 units, which is the phase 1, and then phase 2 was also 12 units. And then we expanded it. Now we have 24 units in our phase 3.
So we have three phases to right Pokuase Heights.
Yes.
Right? Phase 1 is completed.
Completed.
So
sold out.
So the 12.
Yeah,
they're gone.
They're gone.
Wow.
Like that.
Wow.
Yep.
Just like that.
Just like that. And
the two bedrooms.
The 2 bedrooms, they're all gone.
All gone.
Yep.
We'll be strolling over to phase 2 in a more, right? But the 24 here that we have under construction, it comprises of how many 1 and 2 bedrooms?
So we have 18, 12 2 bedrooms, and then the rest are 3 bedrooms. So it's comprised of 2 and 3 bedrooms.
2 and 3 bedrooms.
More 2 bedrooms than 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have only 6 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
And at the moment, 2 out of the 6 3 bedrooms are gone.
Wow.
And then 50% of the 2 bedrooms are gone.
Wow.
So the sales is going by like that, and it's crazy because Pokuase is a developing area.
Yes.
And the place is scenery, is very quiet, and it's lovely. The breeze out here is one of a kind.
Tell me what's this we're looking at here?
This is a hill we have out here. A hill that has been here for a very long time.
Yes.
And it's a growing environment for here. As you can see, when you're here, you see the whole town of Pokuase.
Yeah.
And then you see further than Pokuase, which is like in Sawam and different areas. And the construction around here is magnificent. It's lovely.
Bernard, impressive thus far. We are going to head right through phase 2. Right?
Yep.
We have 12 units.
Yep, we have 12 units.
In phase 2 right now.
Yep.
How many 2 bedrooms?
They're all 2 bedrooms.
They're all 2 bedrooms.
All 2 bedrooms.
How many gone?
There's 1 left.
Ah!
Only 1 left.
After you, Bernard.
Only
after
1.
you.
So
Take me through. I understand that you have, obviously, the model house, right? We will show the viewers the model house. And that's, I was told by KOFI that you're looking at a price for the finished product at $55,000 US dollars. Then you have what is called the shell, right? And the shell, as a shell, will go for $42,000 US dollars. All right, let us go and have a view at the shell. Take us through.
Yep, this is how it looks like. So we have 6 on the right and then 6 on the left. And then we have a central row.
Okay, so we have 6 to the left right here.
And then 6 to the right.
6 to the right. And they're all identical.
Yep, they're all identical, yes.
Okay. Where is the shell?
The shell is in phase 3. We don't have any shell in phase 2.
These are all complete.
These are all complete.
Can we head to phase 3 and look at that shell?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
So where the construction is,
okay.
Let's see how the shell looks like.
Yes. Okay, Bernard,
So
you're
this is
saying,
how the shell looks like.
1 second, let me come across. So the shell looks
Just like this.
just like this.
Yeah.
Let's get in. After you.
Yeah. So this is the shell. The inside you have to do everything on your own.
Ah.
Yeah. The ceiling is not done. We will work on the ceiling. We'll put a ceiling for you. But besides that, you're gonna have to do your own tiling. You have to bring in your own furniture. You have to put in your own bathroom accessories, the kitchen cabinets. You have to do that on your own. So you have the opportunity to model the inside to your taste.
So 42,000.
42,000.
For let me just show this. This is the shell. Let me show the audience as much as I can get, right? So the description is indeed correct. A shell.
Yeah.
All right. Let's take me through here. I just want them to see
Okay.
fully. This is 1 bedroom of the shell. It's en suite.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going through to the next one. And this will be the next bathroom.
Yeah.
Correct. Guys, a shelf. So you explain right here. Oh, we're going over to the
The
kitchen.
area. Yeah.
Kitchen area. Okay. Right behind you.
So this is a small pantry.
Okay, so you have a pantry.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the kitchen right here.
We have the kitchen.
So you can also put in the fittings the way you want it. However you want your kitchen to look like. However you want your kitchen to look like, you can actually model it to your taste as well. So the shell gives you more advantage, more opportunity to be able to
Personalize it.
personalize it, yeah, to your taste.
And
the
we call this
backyard?
the backyard. So this is quite spacious.
It is huge. It's
It
bigger
is
than-
quite
Yep.
spacious. They can do whatever they choose to do here because it's the back, correct?
Yep, it is.
Okay, so Bernard, your shell at 42,000 US dollars
Yes.
basically gives you this.
Yeah, basically gives you this.
This is it.
This is it. This
So for 13,000 more US dollars, we will view the finished product.
Yeah.
But as you say, for $42,000 in this shell,
Yeah.
right, the homeowner is able to personalize the interior,
Interior.
however
They want.
they want
Yes.
and whatever they choose
Yes.
to do.
To do. Yeah.
So they literally have ownership to their specific tastes with the interior.
Oh yes.
I think that is something to think about, right? And the plus to me
Yeah.
makes sense, right? Because also they can take their time
And do it. Yes. They can
to
do it.
complete it.
Oh yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
All right, Bernard, sounds good. Let's head to the finished product
Of phase 2.
of phase 2, right?
Actually, one thing I have to also add is the exterior will be done by us. So you don't have to do anything at the exterior. And then we will also put in the front gate and then the back gate for you. So the front door and the back doors, we will fix it. All you have to do is to worry about what goes on inside,
Inside.
not outside.
So the shell is for the interior.
Yeah, the shell is for in the interior.
The exterior,
It's on us.
you guys complete the
We guys
exterior.
complete the
Ah!
And then paint it for you.
Ah!
And plant all the grass, all the flowers.
Come on, that's big.
Oh yes.
Come on. That's big.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's solid.
Oh, yeah.
Solid.
Yeah.
Let's go and look at the finished product.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Bernard, we're heading to
Phase 2.
phase 2
this
where
is
the
how
finished
phase
product
2 is. All
is,
finished houses.
but we are looking at 12 finished houses.
And you know, It's only one left.
And only one left, guys.
And we are looking for cash payment.
Cash
Because it's
payment.
already done.
Yes.
To be moved in right now.
Yes,
So don't waste time. The houses are running by fast.
Good
If
to
you want
know.
your house, you gotta hurry up, hurry up.
Okay. Then you have a little driveway right here.
Yeah, we have driveway, so the driveway can park 2 cars.
Yes, I see.
And then we have a little garden in front. And then so it's semi-detached, so you can walk around. And
Yeah.
then see the backyard as well. Voila.
Voila, indeed.
You don't get this
Guys,
big
look.
backyard
Oh,
anywhere in Accra.
I love that tree. Look at that. Do your laundry, clothesline.
Clothesline.
There.
Your kids can play around here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You even have a little sink out here. This is cool.
You have a little sink outside.
Yeah.
For your barbecue, if you want to do
Yeah.
laundry, you have water here. It's a no-brainer.
Nice one. Absolutely. Yeah, no brainer. No brainer.
Yeah.
Let's look at that model. And remember, guys, these go for the finished product, $55,000 US. And there are 2 bedrooms. Correct, Bernard?
There are 2 bedrooms. And you know, the interesting thing is, you can actually lock this space up.
If you so
Gates
choose.
here,
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have your privacy too.
So-
Yeah.
Okay, Bernard,
So,
straight through to
welcome,
model.
guys, to our
Over to you
model
again.
house.
Wait, let me get out.
So welcome to our model house. So this is the living room. As you can see, it's very spacious. So we have the dining room right here. We have the sitting room where the TV goes. It's over here.
Little artwork, guys.
Yeah.
I like the door. I like the door.
And then once you come here, we have the 2 bedrooms. So we have bedroom 1 right here.
First bedroom to the left.
Yep.
There we go, guys.
So we have 2 windows.
Windows, yes, I like windows.
That allows more air.
Ventilation is key.
Is key.
Ventilation is key.
Yeah.
Right?
then
And if they want AC, they'll put that in, but because it just comes with a ceiling fan.
it comes with a ceiling fan. We have
Yeah.
AC connector in the back there for you as well. AC connector right back there.
There you go.
Yes.
Yeah. I like the windows.
Oh yeah.
The more the merrier. All right. So you're going to take me through.
Yep. And then we have
But
the
first we
bathroom.
have the bathroom here,
Oh,
guys.
yes.
Not bad at all. Oh, sorry. Not bad. Not bad. Tiles not bad either.
Oh yeah, the tiles are
Tiling's
great.
not bad. Quite nice, actually. And then we enter into the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Ensuite.
Ensuite, and then this is a sliding door.
Nice.
So you push it, you open,
Yeah.
and then voila, you enter.
Yeah.
And then
Guys, we're talking $55,000 US, a finished product. We're going to enter through to the kitchen. We're talking about affordable housing you know, the climate that we are presently in, guys, we're talking value here. And again, your pantry, we have the pantry here,
have the pantry.
right? And we have your kitchen.
Kitchen, yeah.
This is nice. I think it's a nice size based on the cost. Right? Finishing looks good.
Yeah.
Neat. Nice and neat. Good size windows again for ventilation. And when you're cooking. Right? A little idea, a little decor. This is your kitchen, guys. That's right here. Nice. And then we go to your backyard. It's a good size.
So
Same as we saw.
one good thing about this backyard is when you have guests in the living room. So one good thing about this backyard is when you have guests in the living room and you have grocery and you don't want to go through the living room to the kitchen, you can always go around the house and then they'll bring you back to the kitchen.
Awesome. Awesome. Bernard, I like what I've seen.
And then you can actually come here, sit here, have your morning tea, morning
Absolutely.
coffee,
Yes.
and enjoy the breeze.
They
and
can
enjoy
do
the-
whatever they choose to
They can
put
do
here. They
whatever
could put even a small cabana here if they so choose, a swing or whatever.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Bernard, as you usher me back through to the living room, I must say I like this, right? Again, I'm stuck on the whole affordable housing in this climate. And I think you guys have done a fantastic job right here. If I stay right here and even look, this is quite spacious.
It is.
This is actually quite spacious, you know.
And then one thing I didn't mention, the walls and the ceilings are all insulated.
Awesome. So with insulation, it's even cooler.
It's even cooler.
It's even cooler.
Yep, it's even cooler. So it saves you a lot of money. You don't have to spend that much money. And then the lights are also 3 watts.
The
Which
recess
also-
lights.
Yeah, which also means that you don't really have to spend that much money on energy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Energy efficient. Yeah.
Energy efficient. Yeah. Yeah.
It seems to flow. Bernard. Bernard, in closing, what would you say to the global space about Pokuase Heights?
Pokuase Heights is a great place, an upcoming environment that people should actually invest into. It's an investment purpose, and you will never regret your investment in Pokuase Heights.
Bernard, thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
You didn't know you were going to walk me through,
I did not.
right? KOFI volunteered you just like that. And I appreciate it. I think you did splendidly well. And again, thank you. Guys, coming up, my one-on-one with KOFI ANKU.
Thank you guys, and have a blessed day.
Please share,
Alright.
like, subscribe. What they normally say, Bernard? Share, subscribe, like, and do what? Bernard, you're not watching YouTube a lot. Hit the notification bell.
Oh, hit that, yeah, that, definitely.
Thank you. Merase. God
thank you.
bless.